to the POER Fan Festival 2022. Now, very, very exciting. It's time to check out performance. Now, the POER lifestyle is all about fun, freedom, and action. Here's two of my favorite toys, motorbikes. And like everything else, if it's a speedboat, if it's a caravan, or if it's whatever jet ski or motorbikes, take them from home to the fun spot and then bring them back. Let's see how it performs. Hello.
Hello.
Hey. Ah.这拖车模式与普通的模式有什么区别？
它现在这个是照顾后面的这个影像，但是实际上的拖车模式还没开启。
OK，
对，实际上它的这个拖车模式，比如说在拖挂的时候，可能会在山地上去使用这个低速四驱，然后或者是采用这个蠕行模式等等这样的内容。
Excellent. So, fun, friends, toys, motorbikes, boats, jet skis, caravans, all of the outdoors.
Yeah.
Because we have a good car.
Yeah.
So here it is. We're now ready to do our towing tests. And we've got some nice surprises coming up for you. So I'm going to jump in now, check this big, beautiful caravan behind, and see just how powerful this thing is in the towing arena. Hello.
你好。
Hey.
你好。你好。咱们首先呢，先来看一下这个长城炮的行驶模式啊。首先呢，看到的是一个泥地模式。我再旋转一下呢，是雪地。根据不同的路面情况设定不同的驾驶模式。沙地，在沙地的时候呢，它这个脱困的能力会更强。这个呢是一个标准模式，这个时候呢，它会根据不同的路况自行调节。好，接下来呢是一个经济模式，这个经济模式呢，多数情况是在城市道路行驶，这样的话会更节油节能。如果想激情一点，可以调到运动模式，这样的话呢，再根据不同的心情调整不同的驾驶方式。好，那咱们现在出发。
那咱们用标准模式出发。
出发。下面呢，咱们要进行一个砂石路的攀爬。这个时候呢，可以看到前方的路况呢。会比较的附着力会降低很多，在这种鹅卵石砂石路上的。
那你觉得这辆车最大的亮点是哪个？
这台车最大的亮点给我的感觉就是动力非常的充沛，扭矩出力点非常的低，在拖挂房车的时候呢很轻松。这个时候呢，转弯的时候呢，也感觉到很从容，带着这个2.5吨重的，
我坐在里面感觉一点压力都没有。
对。
其他的所谓的 SUV， 哪怕他们也是四驱 SUV，坐在里面我好紧张，你知道吗？就说会不会转弯，会不会打滑呀什么的。
因为咱们
这个车一点都不担心。
因为咱们长城炮呢会有不同的驾驶模式去选择。当你在砂石路段的时候呢，你就选择砂石路段；在沙漠路段，你就选择沙漠路段；在城市路段，你就选择城市路段。这样的话呢，避免了很多选择性的烦恼。这样的话呢，让你的出行呢变得更加的轻松从容，让 很多的这些选择性的呢，交由我们的长城炮自行去调节就好了。现在这个车我一直选择的就是标准模式。其实刚刚如果是在上大坡的时候，我如果转到泥地模式的话，它会把这个传动齿比会更放大啊，让车辆攀爬起来会更从容。但是咱们这个场地呢，没到那么大的角度的情况下，
对他来说太轻松了，是吧？
对，对这个长城炮来讲太轻松了。
We've obviously got different mode settings which we use to control the car automatically. Different ways. We've got the standard setting here. Here we've got economy, which I'm going to not do while we're going up a hill. Let's keep it in standard mode for the moment being. Obviously what that means is that the system is just taking care of everything for you. So if you're not specifically telling it what kind of environment you're in, it will just work it out for you. Now I'm going to slowly go over these. We've got economy mode. Then we have sport mode. Obviously these are more of our tarmac based ones. We've got our mud, snow, and then we've got sand. I'm going to leave this on normal mode because that way we can actually just get a demonstration of how it's thinking about everything for us. But these modes really are. It's obviously on this kind of circuit we can get a feel for how they're responding to different terrains. But actually, you know, it's capable of so much more. In terms of the angle, in terms of the temperature, in terms of the slipperiness, so even if we just leave it in a normal mode right now, we can actually get a feeling that it's absolutely more than capable of handling all of these environments very, very comfortably. Now the great news is that this awesome car and this awesome capability is coming very soon to Australia, to Saudi Arabia, and a whole bunch of other countries. Lots to look forward to.
From the fire and smoke, they stand down when you run the show. You back up when you fall below. You push past the impossible.
Wow, this really is a proper off-road, fully functioning, awesome car. That was some extreme towing we did there. 2.5 ton caravan, definitely more than 2 ton vehicle. But the power, the control, the quality, the smoothness, and very importantly, the safety was just amazing. So it really is a legit vehicle. I'm very proud.